Careful, she doesn't want her girl. Okay. Wow, look, a real egg.
I grew up as a young boy on a farm in Michigan, and every day we'd go out and we'd gather eggs. And there's something about eating a fresh egg where the chickens are running loose on your farm that changes the way you think about eggs. I learned how to cook eggs in a new way from a chef who was in our church by the name of Behzad Mostofi, and I'm going to pass that on to you. This was many, many years ago. Just crack 4 eggs. So I mix in about 1/3 of a cup of water and just beat them up really good. So right there, we're going to mix that in. That water helps fluff these up. I'm using medium-high heat at this point. Then you're going to pour in the eggs. As it begins to cook, take your spatula and then just merely allow the egg to go into the pan. Now it's going to take a little more time to do this, but I'll tell you what, you'll be rewarded for a little patience. It takes a couple of minutes. Get the other family members to make the toast and whatever else you want. Almost there. You'll get used to it. Just take a little time to do it. Today I'm going to put in just a little bit of cheese. I like sheep cheese, but you know, whatever you choose. Just a little pepper and a little salt. And then I'm going to fold this over. I'm going to let it simmer. You can put a little water in the pan. Just creates a little steam if you like. Put the lid on, turn off your burner, let's let it rest. And then we'll come back and we'll turn it onto the plate. We'll have a delightful breakfast. After letting it sit for maybe a minute or two, they fluff up so nicely with the water. And when you cut into it, you've got just an incredible egg. This is delicious. Farm, fresh, right out of the hen house, right onto your table. You can't beat that.